Hello and welcome to the latest update from the Met Office. Big changes with the UK weather this week. We're going to go from late summer kind of weather to, well, much more autumnal conditions. We lose the warmth, it turns much cooler, and we'll see a mixture of rain or showers from the second half of the week. Additionally, by the weekend, some places could experience their first frost of the season. What's going on? Well, it's all to do with the jet stream, as is often the case. The jet stream at the moment, well to the north of the UK, carrying these areas of low pressure away from the British Isles, leaving us with a ridge of high pressure, plenty of warm sunshine and temperatures typically low to mid-20s. But if I fast forward to Thursday, well, you can see a significant change. Multiple areas of low pressure close to the UK, temperatures 10 degrees lower, the jet stream diving to the south of the country. Let's rewind back to the time being, because actually it's this weather front here which marks the boundary between the high pressure, the settled conditions, and the much more changeable and much cooler conditions that we'll see for the second half of the week. And we keep the largely fine weather as we end Monday across much of eastern Scotland, England and Wales, clear spells, but for the northwest of Scotland, well, the first signs of that change, the rain turning persistent and heavy at times through the night. Gales around exposed coasts as well, and a thickening of the cloud across northern western parts of the UK ahead of this. But in any clear spells further south, well, light winds mean that mist and fog will form once again, just like it did on during the early hours of Monday, and poor visibility to start off things across central and southern parts of England, in particular on Tuesday. The mist and fog will lift by around 10 or 11 a.m. and then plenty more warm sunshine to come across eastern parts of the country, but thickening cloud elsewhere, and some outbreaks of rain appearing into northern England, parts of Wales and the southwest. Generally just a few showers at this stage, the breeze picking up as well. But for the northwest of Scotland, that's where the persistent wet weather will still be. By Tuesday afternoon, it's just starting to appear into parts of Northern Ireland as well, and that's going to make it feel cool with the breeze picking up also. But further south and further east, one more day of warm sunshine, 25 or 26 Celsius in London. Now, during Tuesday nights, we'll see that wet weather sweep across the rest of Scotland, Northern Ireland, and then push into Northern England by around midnight. Much of Wales and the southwest, a spell of rain for a few hours. Ahead of it, some showers developing across central and eastern England. A lot of cloud cover for England and Wales, so we won't see that mist and fog forming, and temperatures will stay up in the low to mid-teens. Meanwhile, for Scotland and Northern Ireland, having seen the rain clear earlier in the night, clear spells, and temperatures dropping away, 5 or 6 Celsius typically, but in sheltered spots, low single figures, and a touch of frost to wake up to on Wednesday. So chill in the air first thing for Scotland and Northern Ireland, but plenty of sunshine here. A few showers pushing in from the north and west. Meanwhile, Northern England, the southwest, and eventually Wales, after a cloudy, damp start, sees the sunny spells returning for the afternoon, coupled with a few showers. But it's across the Midlands, central southern England, East Anglia and the southeast where it stays dull and damp through much of the day, with the rain turning heavy at times as it slowly pushes away. That's going to make a big difference to the temperatures, several degrees lower compared to previous days, 18 degrees at best. Further north as well, a much cooler day to come, 12 or 13 after that chilly start. Now, this low pulls away during Thursday, but it could linger for a time around North Sea coast to bring some wet weather. Another low dives south as the jet stream pushes to the south, and this will mainly focus rain or showers to England and Wales during Thursday. Scotland and Northern Ireland perhaps seeing a largely dry and bright day with just 1 or 2 showers. These lows are, well, just slowly milling about as the jet stream sits to the south of the UK, but eventually they'll move into Scandinavia. We'll see this northerly wind drag much colder conditions down from the north, and that means that by Friday, a frost in places, particularly northern Britain, but by Saturday, the first potentially widespread frost of the season. A chilly start to Saturday, that's for sure. But having said that, actually Saturday's a largely fine day. We've got that brisk northerly breeze, and that'll make it feel cool, particularly on the North Sea coast, and there'll be further showers coming in. Cold enough for snow over the, well, peaks of Scotland, the tops of the mountains. There'll also be some rain lingering to the southwest of the UK, but in between, plenty of sunshine. So despite that cool feel, well, it won't be a washout. as we start this weekend, there will still be some sunshine. A reminder that although we're heading into another season, it doesn't necessarily mean a complete end to sunny spells. And of course, you can follow us on social media. We'll keep you updated right here. Bye-bye.